This is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I am going to show you how to make the most delicious, healthy, keto version of a tiramisu cake. So all you need is a bag of the Baker's Basic Cake Mix, and you follow the directions. You add the 1 egg and the 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. And the only difference you do is you add a tablespoon of instant coffee to the cake. Now, I don't like caffeine, so I'm using instant decaf. I am going to mix this and microwave it for 90 seconds, and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I microwaved this for 90 seconds. This is how big of a cake you get. This whole cake is only 2 net carbs, comes out real clean and easy. And the only other thing I'm gonna do to it is put just a little bit of coffee. If you put too much, it gets bitter. In the cream cheese frosting. And I like to do a little bit of cream cheese frosting, not much. So I'm gonna put a little bit on here and spread it out, okay? And then the other thing that I like to do, I like the taste of coffee grounds, or the instant coffee grounds. So this is just what I do. Woo, everybody got a little bit of that. I just put a little bit of whipped cream to give it the light and fluffy taste, and a little bit of coffee on top of that. There you go, guys. Now it tastes like you're eating tiramisu, but remember, what you're eating is organic coconut flour, flaxseed, nutritional yeast, sunflower, lecithin, pink salt. I make my own sweetener with erythritol, monk fruit, stevia. I can go on and on and on about these superfood ingredients and how they reversed my heart failure. So if you are a diabetic or you have any health issues, this is how you want to eat, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to come see us on the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. You can also like our Healthy Treats Market Facebook page. My kids are all making fun of me. You can also join the Healthy Treats Market support group. Subscribe to the Healthy Treats Market YouTube channel. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you.